Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how magnesium and vitamin D work together. Magnesium is essential for your body to properly utilize vitamin D, acting as a crucial cofactor in its activation. Without sufficient magnesium, vitamin D can remain inactive, limiting its benefits for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Understanding this synergy helps optimize your nutrient intake. For adults, the recommended daily allowance for magnesium is typically between 400 and 420 milligrams for men and 310 to 320 milligrams for women. You can find magnesium in many foods, such as leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Ensuring adequate intake through diet or supplements is vital for overall health. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for most adults ranges from 600 to 800 international units. However, individual needs can vary, and some people may require more. Your body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, and it's also found in fatty fish and fortified foods like milk and cereals. Supplements can help bridge any gaps. To maximize the benefits of vitamin D, it's crucial to ensure you're also getting enough magnesium. These two nutrients work synergistically, meaning one helps the other function effectively. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dosages, especially if considering supplements. Monitoring your levels can help you achieve optimal health and well-being.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.